In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a guest to a board in Monday.com. Inviting a guest is perfect when you want someone outside your organization, like a client or contractor, to collaborate with you on a specific board without giving them access to everything in your account. I'll walk you through the exact steps, and I'll explain what to look out for along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, open the board you want to share. Before you can invite a guest, you need to make sure the board is set to shareable. Look towards the top right corner of the board and click on the three dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. From that menu, choose Change Board Type. You'll see options like Main, Private, and Shareable. Select Shareable. This tells Monday.com that this board can be shared with people outside your main account, which is exactly what we need for guests. Once your board is set to shareable, look again at the top right of the screen and click the Invite button. This is where you'll actually add your guest. A window or panel will pop up asking you who you'd like to invite. In the email field, carefully type the guest's email address. Make sure it's correct because this is where their invitation will be sent. As you type, Monday.com may show you a drop-down list with matching contacts or suggestions. When you see the correct person, click on their name or email in that drop-down. After selecting them, click the Invite button. This sends an email to your guest with a link to access the board. They might need to create a Monday.com login if they don't already have one, but they'll be guided through that on their side. Once the invite is sent, take a moment to confirm that they've been added with the right role. In the list of people on the board, look for the new guest's name. You should see a small guest icon next to it, indicating they have a guest role rather than a full team member role. This is important because guests have limited access and can only see the specific boards you share with them, helping you keep the rest of your workspace private and secure. And that's it. Your board is shareable, your guest has been invited by email, and their role is correctly set as guest.